this. If Dhoni walks out, it's almost you have to put your fingers in the air to go like.
And that ground is like bouncing, it's vibrating, the floor is vibrating. It is remarkable.
In Chennai, when he walks out to bat, like he is a god. Like.
Yeah. You got Virat in Bangalore, and you've got MS Dhoni everywhere else.
I'm not sure I've ever heard anything like it when he came out to bat. 100,000 people at the MCG doesn't stand a chance against 35,000 people at Chennai when MS Dhoni comes out to bat. It's actually ridiculous.
The noise when he came out to bat, and then those two balls were definitely the loudest I've played in front of. So.
The crowd was crazy tonight, especially I think when MS walked out, that's as loud as I've ever heard in the stadium.
But the sound of Chekhov when Dhoni walked out to bat, I have never heard anything like it.